Everyone has got full liberty. How, what kind of body he is going to get next? Keep yourself in Krishna consciousness. That consciousness, settled body, then you are sure to get next life. If not in Vaikuntha, at least you get a high standard life. That is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Suchinang simatang gehi juga bhrashta sanjayat. Juga bhrashta. Bhrashta means fallen. Fallen. Suppose we are executing Krishna consciousness and some of our students are going away. That is called bhrashta. Fallen. They could not continue. So, one who could not continue by his ill luck, he is also not a loser, because but that slight Krishna consciousness will help him to get another human form of body. That is guaranteed. Ordinary man, they do not know what kind of body they are going to get. They are in darkness. But it will be decided at the time of his death according to the mentality. God is so kind. Whatever you want, He is giving. Je jathamang prapadanti tang sataiva bhajamam. Whatever you want, you take. He has given you full liberty. Because we have come to this material world to enjoy in sense gratification. And sense gratification standard is according to the body. A king's body, his sense gratification, and a hog's body, his sense gratification, they are different. Because the bodies are different. A king cannot take anything which is not very nicely prepared. And a hog is satisfied with stew. Why? A different body. Deha yogena dehinam. The whole thing is sense gratification. Anyone who has come in the artha-vadina, their only aim is sense gratification. That's all. Anyone, beginning from Brahma down to the end, material life means a desire for sense gratification. They are fallen because they wanted to gratify their sense. They cannot remain in Vaikuntha world. In the Vaikuntha world, only the one, the Supreme Lord, his senses should be satisfied, not anyone's sense. That is called, the process is sense gratification. But as if you want your sense gratification, that is made. And if you want to satisfy Krishna's sense gratification, then you are spiritual. So anyone who wants to gratify his senses, personal, he is pushed here in this material.